Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing an engine that fits your scope and language comfort. This decision shapes iteration speed and build workflow. Once chosen, initialize a Git repo with branches and a sensible Git ignore so you can experiment safely. Then implement a minimal playable loop, input, update, render, with placeholder art and simple physics so you can test interactivity early. Make sure to wire hot reload or quick play modes to iterate fast and avoid long compile test cycles. You now expand the playable loop into robust mechanics. Prototype core features with mock data to validate design quickly before spending time on optimization. Once behavior is stable, implement component-based systems, entities, input mapping, physics, audio, UI, and save/load, so features remain modular and reusable. Use unit tests for deterministic logic and integration smoke tests for gameplay flow. Make sure to refactor into clear interfaces. This reduces coupling and lets you swap implementations without breaking other systems. You finish by polishing visuals and performance, profile and remedy hotspots, lower draw calls, and adjust input responsiveness for feel. Then run a disciplined QA loop, regular playtests, prioritized bug triage, regression checks, and builds for each target platform, so you catch platform-specific issues. Once stable, set up CI for automated packaging, tag versions, write concise release notes, and prepare a rollback plan. If crashes or physics glitches appear, reproduce, isolate the change, and revert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.